our topic today is chain surveying, and like the chain survey is the simplest method of surveying. In the chain survey, only measurements are taken in the field, and the rest work such as plotting, calculation, etc. are done in the office. And here only the linear measurements are done. And I will show you. Topics covered: different method for linear measurement and instruments for chaining, and different types of chains and tips, and chain surveying surveys in that. And we have a survey station and survey line, and we have another topic like chain surveying regarding field work and office work. uh, as a first topic is linear measurement and basics, and the one of the basic function in surveying is always horizontal, not sloping distance. No way to check the error other than remeasuring. And the linear measure methods, like we have many, like three methods, like direct method, and bioptical means, and electronic method. Direct methods: instruments such as pacing, passometer, a medometer, an odometer, or speedometer. And the rough method for the preliminary service and the check of large mistakes in measurement made by more precise method. And unsuitable, irregular, and sloping ground. And the precision, it will be 1 by 50 to 1 by 200. And another taping, like chaining or taping carries same meaning, using of either chain or tape. One of the accurate method of direct method. This method is basic for most surveying. Precision is 1 by 1000 to 1 by 5000. It's an ordinary land survey. Then use of chain or tape. Chain early is in 16 and 16,000s, like steel tape in use by early 2000s, and the tape is very common nowadays. The instrument for which is used for the chaining experiment, like we have arrows, picks, and ranging rods, and pump bomb, and a hand lever. And instruments of chaining tape: arrows, 10 arrows, and picks like station position and the terminal points of survey line. Instruments for chaining tape: ragging rods used to range in intermediate points on survey line, length 2 meter or 3 meter, bands of 20 centimeter painted alternator color, like red, white, black, and black and white. Ranging poles, like similar to ranging rod but big in size, used in say case of long lines, used to range immediate points on survey lines. Instrument for chaining and taping: uh, perm bomb and verticity of ranging pole, transferring the pole points to rod, also used for centering purpose in other surveying method. The different types of chain, like chain absolute equipment at present, and metric chain, it's available in like 5, 10, 20 meters, and like we have many chains like Gochar, or survey chain 66 feet or 100 links. Engineering chain, like 100 feet of 100 links. Rev- Revenue chain 33 feet of 16 links, and the steel band or a band chain 20 or 30 meter. And this is that image of it. Different type of chain and tape, like tape: cloth or linen tape, metallic tape, steel tape, invert tape, it's contain the alloy of like nickel 36%, and steel. And this is the image of it. It's first thing is cloth tape and steel tape, and then linen tape. Ranging, like ranging, when the length of survey line is greater than chain or tape length. Process of establish intermediate point, and methods of it, that direct ranging and indirect ranging. And direct ranging direct ranging, when two endpoints are intervisible and either by eye or through optical instruments such as line ranger or theodolite, and a code of signals used to direct assist indirect ranging. Indirect ranging when two endpoints are not intervisible with the aid of two intermediate points were near to the line. And then we have another like over the slope, which methods are direct and indirect method, like, and it's a locating the ground figuring features and chain serving in the field and office work. Equipment chain tape, they are like greater than 30 meters, and 10 arrows and raging rod at tape 10 meters or 20 meters. Where in field work, we have three methods, like we consider three steps: reconnaissance and marking and fixing the survey station, running survey lines, and then reconnaissance, and then the purpose is to enable to locate stations during the process of the progress of work. Wooden picks in soft ground, nails or spikes in hard surface like road, flushed with pavement. It's a field work, like we are measuring on the backside and front side and the length. uh, Plotting work, like fixing the scale or survey before starting, purpose of survey and the extent of survey and finance available. North rules, like nice lettering always in the drawing. Skeleton first orientation, the plotting work, like start with the baseline. Triangles are lead by the intersection of arcs, and the verification of check lines and offset are then plotted by the set square or offset scale and ground feature. Oh, and that brings us to the end. I didn't like to thank you for your time and